Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly get you up and running with the SpiNode. The SpiNode is a powerful, easy-to-use eDMX to SPI converter that will become for sure your best friend on your next Pixel projects. It converts ArtNet and SSEN to SPI to control LED pixels. It works seamlessly with controllers from visual productions like the QCore 3, or lighting consoles like GrandMA and Chamsys, or again, pixel mappers such as Resolume, Madrix, MadMapper, or Entech ELM. And there is an extra bonus. When you pair an SpiNode with a QCore 3 lighting controller, you can unlock 16 additional universes on your QCore 3. For details, check our video how to unlock extra universes in the QCore 3. The link is in the description below. Now, let's power up and connect the SpiNode to the pixels. You can power the SpiNode and your pixel strips from the same DC supply. Choose a voltage that matches your pixels. The SpiNode will accept 5 to 24 volts. If you power your pixel through the SpiNode, the total output current across the 4 ports should not go above 20 amps. To wire your pixels, start with ground and data. If your pixels require a clock, connect it to the C pin. If you want to power the pixels via the SpiNode, connect the V+ pin to the pixel power line. Important note: all V+ and ground pins are common across the 4 ports. Do not use different voltages on those rails, that would damage the SpiNode. With everything connected, let's configure the SpiNode via its web interface. Open vManager or type the SpiNode's IP address directly in your web browser. Then go to the pixel page. Here, set the pixel protocol for each port. There are more than 40 different types available. Next, enter the number of pixels connected to the port. You're not sure how many you have? Use the locate function in the preview to confirm that all pixels are connected and patch properly. Now, let's route incoming DMX universes to the ports. Go to the routing page and choose ArtNet or SSEN. In this example, we use a QCore 3, sending SSEN starting at universe 123, channel 1. And of course, don't forget to enable the port. That's it, quick and easy. Start the playback on your QCore 3 and you'll see the results on your pixels immediately. Want to dive deeper? Check out our other video, how to use advanced settings in the SpiNode, available in the description. Thank you for watching, and let's talk lighting control in the next video.